Today we are in a town called Common where we will be replacing 18 metres of drainage from a manhole, the rear of the property side of the property, to a manhole on the boundary line, which is just behind this fence here. So come and take a look. So as you can see, there's the manhole in question. So we're coming from this manhole where the drains are absolutely displaced due to ground movements and other little defects in the line, like circumference cracks and, you know, voids that are in the line too. So we're going to replace the line from here. We're going to bring it out a little bit. We're going to run it away from the wall, because there is fog in this wall at the moment, where these two drains are connected onto this line. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it out a little bit. We're going to run it right the way along, connecting these two lines in, all the way along, right the way down to where Martin's standing, taking these privies back a little bit and connecting onto this manhole. So end of day one in Conwyn. What we've done today is we've dug out, we've exposed the 4-inch clay pipe what we're going to connect onto. We have scored the tarmac all the way along, and we started digging. As we started to dig, we found a gas main and also a electric cable, armoured cable there, which runs right across the dig. Site's being left nice and clean inside, as promised, and we will be returning tomorrow to complete the rest of the job. Thank you very much.